Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna review Patanjali mustard oil. So let's get started. So this 1 liter bottle has MRP of 145 rupees and the shelf life is 1 year. Patanjali mustard oil is fortified with vitamin A, D and E, making it a good choice for cooking. So this oil is produced by pressing mustard seed using cold press extraction method. It is also known as Kachi Ghani. This process involves crushing seeds at low temperature to preserve oil natural properties, antioxidant and essential oil. Packaging is convenient, easy to pour and use. The oil has this sharp smell which typically comes from Kachi Ghani oil, and it has high pungency and strong aroma. And you see the color, doesn't look like pure yellow, it's reddish brown color. All the veggies you cook in this oil will have that flavor. The flavor wise, it's a winner. It boasts authentic mustard flavor. You can use this one as cooking oil for most of the veggies, curries. It's just that it creates a lot of smoke, so make sure that you heat it properly at the right temperature. And we can use this for tempering, dal tadka, even for parathas. The distinctive taste of mustard was evident. It's also great for frying as it has high smoke point, which means it does not burn easily. And price wise also, it is at par to the most of the other brands Kachi Ghani oil. Overall, I like the product very much, and yes, I'm going to buy this one again. Go for it and subscribe for more such videos.